Okay, so now I've switched over to my screen. And I actually just did this and I'm doing it all over again because I didn't have my mic turned on. And I'm telling you that because there's really no reason to keep secrets in this type of game. So, all those gurus out there that are telling you to sign up for these programs because you're never going to be able to make it without them, they're lying to you. So, avoid all the liars and avoid all the shiny objects. So from this part right here, this is everything that you get through Russell. If you don't know who Russell is, he is the founder of ClickFunnels. He started off in his parents' basement in high school, ordering free mailers, getting free incentives with sales letters trying to upsell. He had no idea what he was doing at the time, but what he was doing was he was educating himself and preparing himself for obviously his creation, which was ClickFunnels. And I don't know anybody who was in high school that was racing home to get junk mail. So his junk mail started real early before AOL or any of that shit. So here is everything you're gonna get with the challenge: the copy of the challenge workbook, the MP3 player, the 30 days hardcover book, unlimited access to 30 days interviews, and behind the scenes 2 Comma Club interviews. The 2 Comma Club is for everyone who has built a funnel and basically made $1 million with it. And you get a plaque in the mail. It's beautiful. I don't have one yet, but I would like to think that I will have one soon. And that is just another goal that you can just put and stick on the side of your wall there as your list of goals. But the main reason for all of this is that this is part of the reason why ClickFunnels has become what it is, because he puts it together in a way that it's not just something that you can easily learn from if you take it slow, but it's also teachable. So you can then go from learning it, mastering it, and then teaching it. So my biggest suggestion is to just take it slow and go one day at a time. So in addition, you will receive these exclusive bonuses. So what I did, because I tried and I tried and I tried for the longest time trying to get this right, and went through countless hours and countless courses and get rich programs, or learn how to build the best funnel and sign up for this webinar, and you name it, I've done it. I've even signed up for a program called Push Button Profits. That's a true story, and I laughed about it to this day because that is the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard. Push button profits. So stay away from those bright and shiny get rich quick programs and push button profits, or whatever the hell you want to call it. All right, take it slow, one day at a time. But when you sign up through my page here, you're going to get a list of the best practices, recurring affiliate commission programs, and a list of high ticket offers. And these offers aren't ClickBank offers, these offers aren't Warrior Plus offers. You're not going to find these high ticket offers anywhere. They have to be applied for, they have to be probably, I would imagine it takes about a week or two to even hear back from these people. But I also will explain to you on some little hacks that you can do in order to get them to let you kind of jump in earlier, even if you don't have any high ticket programs going on at the time. But if anyone hasn't told you already, you can promote a $40 product and you could have a 50% recurring commission. It is just as easy to promote a $5,000 product, okay, than it is as it is to promote a 40 or $50 product. Okay, it is just as easy. So why wouldn't we want to promote high ticket offers, right? Okay. So then going forward even further, one thing that I've noticed that one of the biggest lessons that everybody teaches you is that you need to do your own research. And if you're not doing your own research, then you better stop and do your own research, because the biggest thing that happens online is you see something that somebody says they're gonna help you become this affiliate marketer, and you're gonna make 6 figures. You're gonna quit your job, and you're gonna be able to travel the world, and you're gonna work from your laptop, and yada yada yada. Well, before you go and jump on board with all that stuff, take a step back and really look at the big picture here. Why would somebody tell you that they're going to just hand something like that over to you and just say, hey, quit your job and you're going to be able to live happily ever after? It just doesn't happen like that. All right. So just, you need to avoid that stuff as much as possible. It's going to pop up all the time. The biggest part is having the right blueprint. If you don't have the right blueprint, well, then it's never going to work out. That's just like building a house or building anything in the world. If you don't have the right blueprint, it's going to fall apart. If you don't have the right tools, you can't build it. And if you don't have the right skill set, well, then none of it's going to fit together, is it? So I decided to put everything that I use. I didn't take any PLR products. I didn't take cheap bonus giveaways. I took everything that I actually use and put into place for my business today. This is everything that I use. This is all software that drives my business every day. And right, I'm gonna go down a little bit. Okay, so we have the Turbo Spy Tracker, the Turbo HTML Brander, the Turbo List Builder, Turbo Push Notifications, Turbo JV Page Builder, and Turbo Zon Builder. So just those products right there. All of those products work best for if you're part of JV Zoo or you're part of Warrior Plus, and you are going to be submitting your own products to basically put on the list to launch and then promote to affiliates to have them start promoting. And that is where the challenge begins, is because not only is it hard to promote a product, but how do you promote a product and promote a product to an affiliate to have them want to promote it for you? See how it gets a little tricky? So all of those turbo programs right there, which if I scroll down, you'll see a picture of them right there in this list. All of those are all plugins on a WordPress site. Whether you do blogs or you have a website that involves reviews and products or tips and tricks or whatever it is that you do, that will work for any WordPress site. Let me get rid of this. Then the next part, which starts with the WordPress Viral Rater. The WordPress Viral Rater is great for tracking your customers or prospects that come on your website, because what happens when somebody comes onto your website, you want to know where they came from. So that is what that's for. Warrior List Hero is clearly what is in the title. It is involving building a list, and building a list people struggle at all the time. Facebook Lead Book Generator. I don't know about you, but I have ADHD and I suck with Facebook, so this helps tremendously when it comes to leads and generating leads in Facebook. It also explains to you about pixels and how all that works. Then you have your audio video creator, which is if you don't like to be on camera, this is a perfect software for you. Shopify Blueprint. This is the blueprint for Shopify with all the important details that they leave out. Like I said, that is a very big tactic that is being used over the last several years, as they leave out the most important parts and don't tell you. Internet Marketing Profits is just some tips and tricks about internet marketing. And then Facebook Cash Bandits, Affiliate List Pro, and Instant Squeeze Builder. Those are just other, again, these are all software that I use to drive my business. And remember, once you get through this challenge, this isn't just a challenge. This isn't just like learn how to do ClickFunnels and you're done. This is welcome to ClickFunnels, and then here comes the door that gets opened to all these opportunities where your jaw drops and your mouth is wide open and you don't even know where to go, because there's gonna be several different ways you can go with this, and trust me, the value in this is tremendous. So everything that we just went over is a value of almost $5,000. Okay, you're gonna sign up for this challenge for $100. This is gonna be the best $100 you've ever spent. Mark my word. You listen to these tutorials and you take them one step at a time, you will have success. I guarantee you will have success. I wouldn't give you all of this if you wouldn't have success. And if you don't have success, then I don't have success. And that's just how it works. Because in this type of world, in this digital world that we live in now, if you don't give value, then you get nothing. Okay? All the bonuses will be delivered to you within 48 hours. You have to get on before the countdown hits 0. Okay? So click the link and I will see you on the other side. to your success.